this movement is actually one of my favorite movements, and I'm so happy to share it with you guys. So we're going to be doing a 4-3-6 2 chord progression on the key of F sharp. Just in case you're new on the key of F sharp, F sharp is the 1, A flat is the 2, B flat is the 3, B is the 4, C sharp is the 5, E flat is the 6, F is the 7, and back to the 1. So we're going to be taking a very simple song, Thank You Lord, and I'm going to be breaking all the licks I'm going to be playing here, so no cause for alarm. Without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Yeah, that's it. I almost got carried away. Okay, let me sing along just for clarity purpose. Let's take it again. Thank you, Lord. This is 3-6. Okay. Thank you, Lord. Thank. Still on the 7. You. This is the movement. Okay, so here's the breakdown real quick. I started with this quick transition. So I'll take it slow for you to get it. My left hand is on F sharp, and my thumb and middle finger is on B and E flat. So I did all like a grace note from the C sharp. You see what I did on my right hand, right? I'm trying to make sure this video is not really long. So instead of me spelling out the notes, it's going to take much time. Although you can make your suggestion in the comment section below if I should spell out the note part, just break it down a little for you to get it. I'm just trying to maximize time for the video not to be long. Okay, let me take it again. Okay, thank. That's on the 1 I did. It's slow from A flat to the A and ended on B flat. So this is a diminished chord, but I actually spread it, of drop 2s. This is D diminished chord. So I dropped the second highest note, which is the F. I took it to the lower octave. So that's what happened here. Then I just used my right hand to accompany it with a slow here. So I did this slow. I love doing this a lot. So here's the breakdown. Let me play it slow. So that's F sharp second inversion. Yes, just what makes it sound different. This slow I added here. So this is our E flat minor 11th chord. That's my left hand. Right hand is just holding F sharp sus2. Okay, then I did a movement from the 3-6 to the 2. So I did. Okay, on my left hand side I just have B flat and A flat. While right hand side, you can see with my thumb I was playing C sharp and E flat together. then A flat, C, and E flat. Left hand side, I just have E flat. After I did this stuff on my right hand, that's when I played the G note. So right hand side, I just have C sharp. Okay, let me say C sharp and B. So here I did a slow from the F sharp and rested on G. So remember, I keep my melody on top. It's something that is very important. I really overemphasize it. So when playing, it's very good to keep your melody on top. You can say I still re-echoed it. Okay. Think. So always keep your melody on top. So what I played on my left, this is A flat minor. You already know the notes, right? So on my right hand side, I did this grace note from C sharp and ended on E flat while holding the B on my right. Okay. Thank. I did another passing chord from the 1 to the 4. If you have a bassist, you don't have to hold the 1. The bassist will hold that for you. So you can just do. So let's take it again. Thank you. But if you want to hold it, that's fine. You, Lord. So this chord, this is B perfect chord, just B and F sharp. While right hand side we have second inversion of our F sharp chord. C sharp, F sharp, and B flat. So for this next chord, this is my left hand. In my right hand, I held this, which is our A flat sus4 chord. Then I did the passing chord 6, 7. I'm supposed to go to the 1, but I still relaxed on the 7 just to do some chord transitions. So you can see it's still the same thing. If you take these notes, just semitone backward. You see. So left hand side I have E flat, B, and C sharp. Right hand side I have F sharp, B, C sharp, and F sharp. Back to the 7th chord. So I now did this movement. Normally, as a pianist, you're supposed to play the chords with your left hand. Your right hands are supposed to be adding fills. Then you leave the root notes for the bassist. I mean, why is the bassist there in the first place? So leave it for them. So I play this chord over the 7, which is our A flat major 7. So while playing that chord, I did this slow to accompany it from A flat, A, and ended on B flat. So thank you. So my left hand side, I play the tritone. Start with B flat, then D and A flat. So this is the tritone, D tritone. Just in case you are confused about tritone, tritone simply means 6 notes. Like now, if this is the 1, just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's D tritone. Those are tritones. So then I added something nice to it while holding same chord on my left hand side. So thank you. So on my right hand side I did so let me just play it slow. That's F and A flats, then E flats and F sharp. So this is the movements that I talked about earlier. 4, 3, 6, and 2. So okay, let me break that down. So I start from the 4. So left hand side I have just B and F sharp. Right hand side I have B flat, C sharp, E flat, and F sharp. But I slowed from the C sharp to the E flat, like so, while holding the B flat and F sharp. Left hand side I have B flat, F, and A flat. Right hand side I have C sharp, F, and A flat. So just your E flat minor. I have F sharp, B flat, and A flat. So this is C sharp first inversion. F, A flat, and C sharp. Then I just echoed the song and ended it. I just wanna thank you, Lord. So I did this dive tone here just in case you cannot stretch. You can actually take your hands close. Okay, so okay. Remember, I did a slow from the C sharp to E flat. I just want to thank you, Lord. So this is what I used to end it. Left hand side I have, let me take it again. So right hand side I have, here is it. So let's take it together. So let's play it one more time. Thank you, Lord. I just want to thank you, Lord. So if you love this video, please smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. Let's beat the YouTube algorithm. And it's just for you to be notified whenever I post a new video. And let me know in the comment section below any song you want me to do a cover, any chord progression or transition, and I will be more than glad to attend to it. For all of that and more, I will see you in the next video. Peace out, guys.